Hello, so this video is going to shoot in HD and 30 fps, which is means 720p or about 30 frames second. Today I am going just I watched TED video who is explained a manga. I don't their main protagonist, or we can say main character, he is his life is his life is fully destroyed. He did bad thing. He did non-verbal thing, non-acceptable thing to a society, to an where you and we are at like the position like be at lonely, no one wants to talk, some dark secret, some your dark secret, some unsettled thought, some painful problem, but it's up to you. Face the problem, endure it. Don't overthink it or overcomplicate it. It's just like the main protagonist, he do bad thing, but he confesses to the classroom and he endure the bullying, endure the physical punishment, endure the consequences. The gun park always say only result mattered. The you will have to face the consequences. We all have to endure the things, or we can say it, endure the pain. I am not in great mood today, but I am making the video because it's just like a part of my life, just to want to express my feeling or want to talk to you. I am still better than half of you, which I can speak in English, tag, talk in English, in fumbling and another thing. People, the my brother, sister, and who have good knowledge in English will understand this. Who is not better in English, he or she or relative that I will go doesn't understand it. That's why I'm making a video where I can a thin, a thin line between Hindi or relative to and to an other side of where I can protect myself or my identity, but improve myself. It will work or not, but it up to you or it up to me, where I can kept going or kept stuck in my life. It's like I don't watch my YouTube channel analytic. I posted on YouTube, not you YT Studio. YT Studio so analytic and another many things. But if you have, I have don't much that storage, but I have YouTube that I will post. That's my main goal. Post it. Don't overthink it. Do the raw action. It will work out, and it will not. It will give you a life lesson, or it can give you a more experience, more intelligent, more taking. If I am a good editor, I will cut that part which I taken the pause too much, or we can say the and raw into कट करना पड़ेगा. Okay, I don't cut it. It is like raw. People doesn't watch it, don't watch it. It's up to you. It's like the guitar you have playing or the skill you have mastering it. It's playing one tongue, just like practicing it. The camera skill. It's up to you. It's like I am practicing the camera skill without any expectation, without any regret. it's up to me where I want to go or where I want to finish. It's up to me where I can make video or where I can understand the topic or where I can make the video good or made the video low, or we can say more storytelling, more engaging, more variety, more influencing skill, or more communication skill to improve myself. uh, I have, it's like endure the pain, it will change you. This is the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 type of grid box. I am in the middle of the grid where it's my face, my hair is up the line, my chin is like this. People don't watch it. It's up to you where you want to continue, where you want to move, where you want to listen. It my audio clear or not, I don't know, because I take two step back. It's too many background noise, it that much background noise. I will upload the video at 10 a.m. It's like I don't write title, I don't write anything. It's me and myself. It's my stubborn, or we can say it my uh, it my and unspoken rule. If I go in that much deep, my skill between this is not going to work. I have studied thoda a little, or we can say no exercise today. I am feeling very low after coming to 2 days in after the bedding. It's not up to me because I socialize too much in the relative. I don't want to endure this pain, or we can say it's like uh, the environment I am not suitable. I want to escape, or we can say it. I have many option. It one was I go to my village and record it. It will be no background noise. It ups to me, or we can say it's up to me. Or second option, I can wake up at 5 a.m. where there is no audio, or we can say it more silence than everything, and it's after 6 5 to 6. I don't know what happened to me after. It's my vitamin D deficiency, I think, or we can say anything other where I can lack. It's like depressing or loneliness mood after going out, after hanging with friend. I don't think, it's like I am deficient in vitamin D, where my mood keep under the weather, or we can say not in well mood. I have to learn riding bike. I have to learn car driving, and I have to learn so many things. But it will like where to start, where to stop. There is so many things. There is so many things I want to do, but I don't think I can do it that much. I am it. I will make this type of video. The focus, or we can say the attention span you will be increases, or my attention span will be always increases, because this is a boring task. This is the more unedited, or we can say I think I have sleep issues, or we can say vitamin D deficiency, or anything like that, where I lack and where my mood is doesn't want to work. Take a deep breath. If I want to improve the quality of the video, I have to edit. I know editing, but what is stopping me? One thing which I have to follow: pain equal to pleasure, pleasure equal to pain. People can change. It's just like the protagonist that he has explained, the you buy, or we can say YouTuber, he conquered it, or we can say more. I have to take slow. I have to fix my routine. I have to fix myself. I have to do so many things. It's like I have limited time. We can say the time is running out of my hand. It's like the example of the sand: the more you grip, the more it will slip. What a line! Good. It's just like I have improved a little bit, but it more progress than a slow progress is progress than a faster one. If I don't take slow route, the rut, or we can say is the uh, the addiction, or we can say the phone addiction will take over after me and destroy myself. I don't think that many people which watch this video. It's up to you. You want to fix your life, or you want to get an hell. It's like I have, without pain, without sacrifice, you will achieve nothing. Or we can say let go. People will drop the video, I think 0. 0.4 or 1 minute. I don't think that much people watch it. I'm cutting the video, think about it, and make another video and try again. Trying is slow.